What is hello, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good, you feel me? So last video you saw me and my boy Ryan got this single cam ZC swap put in. Let's get back to work. Couldn't find these pieces last night when I was doing the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I throw this in here. You got your plastic piece, then your metal piece, and then your cotter pin. I like to just make sure I have a brand new one if I got one around. Alright, so depending on which crank pulley you're going with, your belt may be different. Alright, so my camera kept cutting out. I don't know what I missed, but get that all clipped in. And then if you still have your injector resistor box, you would be plugging in the plug right there-ish. But for me, the wiring on this car is completely done. Before I go too much further into this, I do want to make sure I get the starter put in really quick. I went ahead and grabbed the OEM bolt set up here with this huge like metal bushing. I'm gonna try to get this threaded on. Alright, so video cut out again. So the best way to get to the hard to get starter bolt without taking everything off is just kind of going in from underneath the shifter cables here. Easily like 30 or 40 pounds on that, so go ahead and do the same for this one. Alright, I always go about like a quarter of a turn after it's tight and consider that done. So finish hooking up the starter.
Started and rev at 8,000.
No leaks. Sick. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end this video, you guys. I did say that it was going to be a 5-part series, but it's looking like it's going to be a 6-part series. I wanted to keep all the videos pretty short, so to do that, I'm going to just be breaking the last video into 2 sections and making this a 6-part series. So that being said, stay tuned for the final video. I just need to get some oil and I'll be ready to go. Peace out.